Wow, it's a cool snow globe! Whoa, cool glitter! For this craft, you're gonna need clear glue, a plastic ornament, glitter, a mason jar, hot glue, and some water. Step 1. Glue the plastic ornament to the mason jar cap. Step 2. Put hot glue on the inside of the metal ring so then the mason jar cap will stay tightly on. Step 3. Put some warm water inside the mason jar and put half a bottle of clear glue in the mason jar. After you put half a bottle of clear glue on top of the warm water, add some more warm water on top of that. Step 5. Put some glitter into the mason jar. After you put the glitter into the mason jar, stir it around a little bit. Step 6. Put the cap onto the mason jar. Make sure the cap is firmly on the mason jar. After that, mix it around a little bit. Boom! Now you have a really cool snow globe. Make sure you subscribe and share this video with all your friends.